I've recently started another 45-day um, stretch of better eating. I've been always off simple carbs, roti, rice. I rarely have. But then there is a period when you have to go to the next level and be super focused, because you can't be, should not be super focused all the time, because then lot of things will stop working. Then your body gets used to all that fancy stuff, and then we have a problem. So I always do it on and off. And now when I was doing this program, and then I realized my uh, discipline of eating right was not as it used to be. And one technique which is very simple. You can't even call it a technique. It's so simple. Was that in the morning I take out 10 minutes. I set a timer, and for 10 minutes I plan what all I'm going to eat during the day. So the benefit I've seen is, one, no decision making. So willpower is a muscle. So if you have your will, do a lot of things. अगर आप everything you have to decide what to eat, what not to eat, then you are in a problem. Just imagine you don't know what you're going to have in lunch, and you are just taking a walk in the mall, and suddenly you see a ice cream stall, and then next to it is broccoli. So what will you have? Your mind will gravitate towards ice cream if you're a normal human being. So that is what was happening with me. But if you've written down what you're going to have every day, you will definitely go for the right choice. And there is no choice. You've decided. I read in this book called Neurodiscipline. So he talks about committing to your future self. So commit yourself just for one day. Don't make a decision for 45 days. Just for one day to eat right. Secondly, suppose you want to have broccoli for lunch, and you've not planned, and suddenly you realize there is no broccoli. This broccoli is just an example. It can be eggs, it can be whatever it is. And suddenly you say it's not there, you see. Then you go for the next best thing, which is anything. So again, decision making involved. One tip to good eating is as many less decisions as possible. जितने decision कम लेने पड़े आपको, उतना वो better है. So decide. Second phase of this planning is going for macros. There are a lot of apps online. You choose your app. I have my app. So उसमें आप plan कर लीजिए. Restrict the number of carbs you are going to have. Now we are working with someone who started probably with about 300 carbs a day, and now he's come down to 250. Now we are seeing how we can bring him down to 200, 150, 100, below 100. So, but if you don't track, if you don't have a number to your macros, you are gone. So have a number to your macros. That can be step 2. If you're just starting today, just plan. See this, do this for 45 days, and you will not believe the results. Thank you.